Join me today where I take my mountain bike up to one of my favorite little trails in northern Colorado. It's about 20 minutes from home. It's not hard, it's not easy, it's just there. I do it because, to me, it's serenity. The gravel under my tires sounds like raindrops. There's rarely anyone here, and it's a time for quiet connection. It's quiet. Today, quieter than most days because it's a little chilly. It's late December. There's someone walking his dog. There's a woman running. But other than that, it's the gravel, and it's me, and the quiet. This is also prairie dog country. There are hundreds of them, and you have to stop and say hi and chill with them for just a second. I love this trail because about half of it is flat. And then it gets fun for a few minutes, and you've got to go fast, and you've got to dodge boulders and branches and anything else that gets in your way. Hear the tires rolling over the gravel? To me, it's raindrops. It's relaxing, it's calming. I'm thankful for the people who maintain this trail. I don't come that often, maybe once every 2 or 3 months, but every time I'm here, it's well maintained and it's slightly different. The boulders are moved just a little bit. The rain takes its toll on the trail, but it's always smooth and it's always a challenge, at least through this part. And then I stop here, right in the middle, just for a few seconds to take it all in. And then it's all downhill from here. This part reminds me of Mars. The rocks are red, it's really jagged, you gotta be careful because again, everything moves just a little bit in between rides, but it's so pretty. Look at the little lake in the background, the blue sky, and the foothills of Colorado. This is the final stretch, and I know civilization is close. I can see cars up to the left, and I usually see a couple people fishing down at this lake. Today, not so much. I'm alone, but I know civilization is just a few minutes away. I call this part the scary forest. It reminds me of another time and another place when my son was a lot smaller. I'd take him through the car wash. We'd call it the scary forest. He knew if he survived, he'd get a piece of candy at the end. I don't need a piece of candy, but I know my car is just a few hundred yards away. At this point, I always give thanks. I'm thankful for my health, for my family, for my freedom, and for the fact that I can ride in a beautiful place on a beautiful day. And here's the sound of that gravel one more time. Until next time.